Hey, g'day guys, it's Adam from VideoShowMeHow. We are at Seshia. It is 6 o'clock and wow, what a day. We made it up here. We ended up punching straight through Bamaga and we're at the Seshia Holiday Park here, right on the beach. Looking amazing. I'll tell you what though, big day. We got through the rest of the OTT. We spent a couple of hours bogged to the gills at Logan Creek, sorry. So I'll try and get some photos of just how bogged we were up on my Instagram so you can go across and have a look at that. That was crazy. I'm stuffed. We did Nolan's. We ended up linking up with a big group of others. Big shout out to the guys that helped and were there helping others and all that kind of stuff. You guys are a bunch of legends. Reese and all your mates, thank you very much once again. But we made it. We are here. The DMAX is just over there. We're just sort of setting everything up. Just here for the night before we punch on up to Punsand Bay and the very tippy top. Feels like it's been a big trip and I feel like we've really ticked off a couple of the big ticket items. Getting off the OTT, finishing the whole thing is excellent. I definitely are getting a couple of little gremlins. I've got a couple of little electrical gremlins in the DMAX, mainly around the transmission, funnily enough. Seems to be okay though. I could clear some codes and I had that transmission breather all the way up. I think it's something to do with that connector. So I'm gonna let everything dry out a little bit tonight and we'll see how it is in the morning. But big day guys, big day. We'll get this one uploaded. We've got a couple of the islands out there, crazy seeing water. Even got to drive on the bitumen for the first time in what feels like forever. So I'm gonna head on in there and get everything all set up and have a bit of a relax on the sand here, I think, because it's been a big trek through the old telly. So I hope you guys are having an amazing day and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers guys.